Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and that cord in that background is going to bother me in that open door. So hold that thought. Okay, she back. Once again, hey you guys, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. Yay! And it is a clothing haul. I know you guys love these videos, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. And go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It is like over, what was it, like 60 something percent of you guys. It's more than that. It's like 70% of you guys that watch my videos consistently. So that's why they won't subscribe, Karessa, because you can't talk. You guys watch me and you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Join the MissRessaT family. We are so close to hitting 1.3K, and I really want to hit that so bad. I want to hit more and get to 2,000 subscribers, so definitely go ahead and do that, you guys. So today is going to be a rainbow clearance try-on haul. You know, guys know I'm about that clearance life, okay? So I have filmed this video before for you guys, and you just don't know. It was blurry. It's been a mess. I've had these clothes so freaking long, it don't make no darn sense. I'm like, I gotta get this video out because by the time y'all put on these clothes, it's gonna be too darn hot. But Rainbow does still have some clearance items on their website, so definitely you may still be able to find these. If I can find a link for anything, then I'll put it down below in the description box. If I forget, then just let me know in the comments if you're truly interested in it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with the dress that I already have on. So as you can see, this dress is super freaking cute. Like, it's so cute. Everything I have is in the 3X, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. But everything I have is in the 3X, and this is just a beautiful burgundy, ribbed. It's just pretty. Like, it's the rib style dress, and it is, as you can see, it comes out to my knees on me. It does rise up, so you might want to, I don't know how you can combat that. I don't know. Comment down below, how do you combat your dresses from rising up? But it comes back to the knees, and it's quarter length sleeves. It does not go all the way down, so it's still wearable here. I wore this like on a, maybe it's like a 60-degree night, something like that, or it's still getting cold around here, so it's still good to wear. And what makes it extra cute, it does have the cut in the front, but the cut out in the back, honey, yes, that is too freaking cute. I really love this dress. I've worn it once, and unfortunately, I didn't even get to take any pictures in it, so you guys have to trust me in this try-on haul. I wore it with some burgundy, like floral blue shoes. It was busting. Like, it was too cute. But, and also, I love that the peephole does not show my bra strap, because, like, girl, we too big to not be wearing no bra. So it does cover up my bra strap, and it fits pretty good. Like I said, this is in a size 3X. Now, I don't have any shapewear on in this video because it's late at night and I ate, and my stomach, I don't feel like hopping it's no shapewear, okay? So it is what it is, honey. Love yourself. Just know, just put on some shapewear if you want to smooth out the rolls. So yeah, that's that dress. So to keep it moving with dresses, we're going to move on to this black dress here, this black number. It is very similar as far as material and the rib type as the dress, the previous dress, but it is fully long sleeve. This one does come a little more above my ankle, my knees. This is also in the 3X, but hunty, as you can see, hunty. Now I have gained about 15 pounds, but in most things I can still wear a 3X. But you guys, I found a lot of this stuff. There's one item in this haul I actually already gave away because I've had it so long, and I gave it away to my best friend because it was no way in heck that it was a 3X. But we'll talk about that later. Like I said, this dress is definitely risque. I wore this, if you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, you saw me rock this dress. Like, I put on some fishnet stockings, y'all, and some knee-high boots. The girl was cute. I do have a picture on Instagram. Make sure you follow me there. Everything is MissRessaT across the board for social media, so definitely follow me on there, you guys. I'm falling in love with Insta stories. Follow me, y'all. But on the actual Instagram page, I did post a picture. This was after I done got toe up and turned. So I done took the stockings off, the boots off. And, you know, you get raggedy, put on them flip flaps and go to the after party. So yeah, but I do have a picture on Instagram if you want to see. But as you can see, this is how this dress goes. Like I said, hunty, if you're not ready to show them thighs, if you're ashamed of your thighs, then this would not be the dress to go, because this runs very small on 3X, and it's stretchable, but girl, okay. So keeping along with the same freaking style, which I don't know. I really love this material. It's so soft. I love the rib. It's so cute. It's so flattering. Or if you have a curvy body, like, it's just very flattering. I have never owned this color, but this is the color. Everyone has this mauve blush color, and I was like, I want something in this color. And so I went with a skirt. So as you can see, this skirt is absolutely freaking cute. I cannot wait to wear this skirt somewhere to style it. I have not wear this yet, and because it's you know, it's not a thin material at all, which shout out to Rainbow, because their clothes are getting a lot better in regards to not being thin. But so I feel like I could still wear this here in the summertime with some cute flip-flops, or if you want to dress it up, you can put on some black wedges. I bought a bodysuit from GS Love, so I was thinking about pairing that together, black bodysuit, and then I'm not really a heels person, so maybe I would wear some black flats or something like that. But this skirt is just absolutely too cute, and I really do like the color on my skin, so I'm glad that I decided to buy it. Okay, so I actually purchased 2 pair of pants from Rainbow. I was very excited about my purchases because I love my Rainbow jeggings. Like, I love jeggings. Jeggings is just so much more comfortable than jeans, especially, you know, on your stomach as a plus size woman. It's more easy to move in. And I used to wear, well, the ones I have are 3X. So I have always been able to wear their 3X pants, well, jegging style. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to insert a picture of the ones that I gave away. I'm so mad because it's the same cute burgundy freaking color. And I thought it was the same style as the ones I have already, but it is not. I could not fit these over my thighs. Like, these were not 3X whatsoever. Like, they weren't even a 2X. Like, I don't know who cut this. It was completely cut so wrong. I was so pissed. And those pants are super duper cute with the cuff on the bottom. Highly disappointed, Rainbow. Highly disappointed. Like, and I watched another video from another YouTuber and she was saying how, like, these are not 3X pants. So the pants that I do still have that I didn't give away are these black. They're like jegging style because they're very scratchy. But the material is more like it's more of a dressier material. Kind of looks like slacks, but they're not. It does not have a real button, you guys. Did not know that when I ordered it. I don't know if it said it and I didn't read it. But you do have to jump in these bad boys. So that is something you may need to consider. But like I said, the stretch is amazing on these. They still look a little tight on me. I'm not worried about that because I'm going to get back on my fitness journey. I am. So I'm not too worried about that. But they are super cute with the little silver accents. I love silver. And yeah, and I think they look very nice on my body, but they definitely are tighter than I thought they were going to be because, like I said, I don't know. I may be no longer a 3X or something, but everything seemed a little small for me. But I do like the pants. I'm probably going to cuff the bottoms because I don't like kind of how they fall. But these are cute. You can dress these up and wear these to something formal, you know, or whatever. I just needed a good pair of black pants. I was about to say jeans, but black pants that I can dress up and be professional in and wear. Like, maybe you can even wear these kind of to church, maybe, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's that type of material. So that is everything, you guys, in my Rainbow haul. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions about anything, definitely leave it down below. I bought everything I got online. I rarely go into the Rainbow store. I really love their options that they have online. Even though I wasn't completely happy with this order because I just felt like a lot of things were not quite 3X. But like I said, I did gain some weight, so... But the pants that I gave away were completely not 3X at all. Like, at all. But anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will be back with more. And make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and all that great stuff. Make sure you share this video with anybody that may help out. And shout out to Rainbow, because like I said, they are coming through with the clearance clothes. Like, all this stuff was off clearance. But honey, like, you can shop the regular prices and still get good clothes. These freaking things are so thick now. It's so much better than it used to be back in the day. And so, yeah, I'm happy about that. So, it's been your girl, MissRessaT. Until the next video, don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches!